Hey everyone, this is Osamu Wakabayashi from Zen Ideas. So I'm going to show you how to migrate. So this website, this is already in the public live site to Cloudways server so that I can create a staging site. So let's get started. So first you need to log into Cloudways server, and here so go to quick action and hit add new application, and then this comes up, and then so here yeah, this actual existing website has WooCommerce, so I gotta click WooCommerce site and application name, so I'm gonna just put so test server, and then it's going to not production site, actually I'm going to dev site. Okay, so add application. Okay, I think that's done. So next, let's go back to a live server. So this is a live server I want to move to. And go to plugin and add a new plugin. And then let's type Cloudway WordPress Migrator. So here it is. So this is a free plugin, by the way. So install that and hit activate. Okay, so put my email address. Oops, I'm going to use my work email. Okay, and then hit agree and hit migrate. So here, so you have to put the destination site URL. So let's go back to Cloudway and install this in dev server, right? And then there's a test one. Oh, here we go. So let's click that. And then, so let's go to application URL, click this. And then, so this is the URL. So just copy this and then back to this page and then paste that URL. Okay. And the next one is SFTP host server address. And then once again, so go back this. And then in order to get that, so go back to Cloudways and then here, public IP address. So you copy this and then back here, and then you're going to paste onto this section. So next we have to copy and paste the database name. So go back to Cloudway again. And then so that is database names right here. So I'm going to just copy this and then back here and then database name right here. And the next one is SFTP username and password. So go back here. Now I'm going to use the master username. So that means go back to this server. And then, so that's the master username here. I'm going to just copy this and back here and paste. And the parser 2, I'm going to use master parser and copy here and back and paste. Okay. All right. So after you filled all the information, so next one is HTTP auth enable. I'll pick no, and any root directory you want to migrate. So I'm going to just pick no here and migrate additional data table. Select the no, and this side password password protected. So if it's yes, you pick yes, and I'm just gonna just pick no here and hit migrate. All right, so I was waiting for about 5 minutes, depending on your size of the website. So so it looks like it's done, and also it's nice to have that I got the notification here from the Cloudways saying that the migration is completed. All right, so let's click this link here. Here we go. So this is, as you can see, so this is a staging site, and then so this is a live site. Let's just go back to homepage. All right, so it's here. So let's compare this side by side. All right, so let's compare this side by side. Here, I think this. Let's screen that. Okay, so look at this. So let's check about the page. All right, it's so easy. All right, so I hope that helps, and that's it for today, and I'll see you next time.